are you guys able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, so let me just a little brief about the Biz Plus CRM what we're discussing right now. So this CRM, let me just first myself is Rahul. I'm based out in Pune. We have a software company and we are into this industry since last 12 years. We have a couple of prominent software solutions for healthcare. We are been into this industry from last 2013. We have more than 180 plus hospitals who are using our application. Then, along with this, we have an application which we have designed 4 years back, and now more than say around 500 plus users are not users. Actually, companies are using from various industries. So this system is like you can take care of your leads. You can in a way it is going to take care of your business. It's a mini ERP which takes care of your lead management and which takes care of the source of the lead. So it captures your complete operations in terms of from the lead generation till the order confirmation. So if you can you see these on the left hand side, these are the on the left hand side, these are the modules which we do have. So this is the dashboard which we have. Every user will have a separate dashboard where we can configure the dashboard based on their roles and responsibility. Then second, we have team dashboard where where the admin can see the complete, dashboard of or the working of other users who are working on the same portal. Then this is daily DSR dashboard. Then this is a daily, activities which you can see representative wise. Then there's one dashboard which we have account dashboard. Then we have the CEO dashboard, which takes care of the management part of aspect, where you can have all graphical representations of the operations in terms of leads, in terms of quotations, in terms of sales. So first, I would no, we can. I'll just demonstrate the system, and then whatever queries you have or questions you have related to your flow, so you can ask me. So initially, see, as Ashwini ma'am has told me that you are into one company is into security surveillances and telecom products. So this is a complete solution where you can take care of leads. So we have a lead form where you get the lead, where you can fill the leads, where we have, see if you can see the lead one form where you can see just a sec. Yeah, so it's a lead where you can fill the you can have all the inquiry numbers, automatic date, status, sources. You can have a lot of sources where you can these are all dynamic sources wherever you are using the leads to get generated. Then we have stages. You can also configure this system the way you want you to your business demands. So I am just taking this is one inquiry form. I'll show you all those things. Then we have this quotation. You can once the inquiry is filled or integrated
Rahul,
with different
Rahul,
different.
one sec. I need to disturb you.
Am I too fast?
No, yeah, and we are not able to see the inquiry form, and I think your screen has got static.
No, I want to take you first the modules and then I will show you the one flow itself.
Okay, 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 fine. Thank you.
Okay, I'll just open. I'll have one more just a sec. Where you are even your the product which is into CCTV and all. So I'll share you that also. So this is inquiry form where we fill the inquiries. We have quotation. Then we have task management also, where you can assign different tasks to your team based on their roles and responsibility, and you can take check the performance of the employees by measuring the TAT. So this task is also there. Then we have also one feature which is called attendance. We have a Android mobile app where you are generally in CCTV or in IT infra system. Your people are outside on projects on site. So we have a mobile app where your person can have login. They can log in from the site itself, and the attendance can be marked. So you can have all the attendances. What is the type of attendance? It is a half day, full day. The location it will grab from the Google Geo this thing. Then you can take it down the, even the salaries also from here. So this is one more model, which is data management system, where you can save the quotations or formats on the cloud in your CRM to a particular user. Then we have this sales and purchase. The most important part is these integrations. So we have this integration from your website directly. Your lead can come from your website. See, this is the lead which had already come, and you can work on that lead. So this is the lead, and just one click, if you just one click, and it will go to the inquiry. You will fill the form, and the inquiry will be, you can generate the inquiry. Same, we are just running one campaign in this company. I'll just show you something, which is integration we generate from social media. So the leads, see, you can see these leads had directly come from the portal. See, this is Devidas Sawant or here. So this campaigning is Sonic CCTV lead. So it has directly come to here. And these are all converted to inquiries. If you see the tick, the person has already worked on it, and it will be in there. You can see in the in the inquiry, you will find out these leads has been working on. So see here, you can see today's inquiry. This is your today's inquiries of your team who has worked on this. This form is for today's complete inquiry, whatever the inquiries which they have finished working on it. So this is on the on the dashboard of this. So this is one integration. Then we have directly integration with the IndiaMart. We have directly integration with Just Dial. You can get the leads from Just Dial directly into our portal. Then this is one more common thing which we have is IVR configuration. So you are already into the telecom, so you know the PRI systems and all. So your all calls can be recorded here, and it can be, so these are the all calls which are coming here. So you can see the number, customer number here also, and you can see who has received it. And just on a click of it, you can fill the form. You can, once you are speaking to the customer, you can convert it to inquiry, or this is our one more model, which is complaint management system. Say if you have a scenario like someone had called you of some 3 cameras are not working. So directly, you first of all, you will monitor the recording also, whatever the customer has spoken to that particular agent,
Rahul,
and directly, yeah, please.
yeah, sorry, I can't see anything on my screen.
You cannot see anything. Okay, just a sec. I have shared it with anyone else having the same.
I also can't see. I thought you were going through some summary of yours and trying to get us into a static screen initially.
Oh, I thought I was showing you all the screens. So Ashwini,
Are you showing the screen, Rahul?
Ashwini, I can't see the screen. Huh?
Yeah, even I cannot see.
So
All of us can see the screen. It's just static, saying inquiries, quotation, contact,
Yeah,
task,
it's
AMS,
the
AMC.
Screen only, Rahul.
can you see the screen now?
Nothing.
While sharing the screen, you need to share the desktop, I suppose. So you can stop sharing and you can reshare again.
Just a sec.
So while sharing, you get the option to share entire desktop. So you can take that option and you can see into it.
Okay. The optimization of the sound. Still, it's not. I have done that. Okay. Can you see now?
Yes, so your dashboards needs to be seen now, your tab of dashboards. Yeah, so if you scroll down, can you just, yes.
Can you see
Yeah,
now?
now we can see the activity, correct.
Okay, now can you see, this is where you can have, so let me just log in again. Okay. Just a second. Now you can see my screens, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let me just come back to you again on those. These are the, see on the left-hand side, these are the modules which we have in our CRM. So it takes care of complete solution where you can track your lead. You can manually enter the lead or the lead. So you can get directly the leads into your portal from different sources where your lead sources. So you can see this is the integration which we have directly with different portals. So we have see this is a website inquiry. So from your website directly the lead, if someone can fill the inquiry form directly, the leads can come here. So am I visible here now?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the leads. Directly you can fetch a lead, and then even we have this bulk move. You can automate your leads to different users who are using who are into the sales department. So that leads, if you are getting more leads, like 4 or 5 leads, so randomly you can send, or you can have 2 leads. You can divide the leads like bulk move. Your users will be seen here. So you can send, you can assign those leads to them. So this is one integration which we have. Then we have IndiaMart. Directly the IndiaMart leads will become, these are the all portals which we have integrated with our CRM. Then we have Just Dial Trade India. Directly the Facebook leads will come from your Facebook social media. This is Visit, where we have a mobile app. If your field sales team or your operational team are using this application, so you can create a visit for them. Like in CCTV business, you have first to, if you get an inquiry, they ask you to come for a visit. So your person will go and do the site survey. So once the site survey is done, so the customer first, from your office, you will create a task to the particular user who is going to go for the visit. Then you are going to that person is going to visit and make the requirements, and it will be visible all in the visits. So you can create a task. This is name, address, email. You can see these are the visits. So that person will have everything, purpose, what is the purpose. So these are all will come on the visits. Then we have IVR. So we have integrated our IVR system into this. So whenever you can just click, if you are doing a social media marketing, or you are highlighting one number, which will be, it could be a toll-free number or a virtual number. So you can directly, please tell me if someone is having a problem in viewing their screen. So I will stop and check if there is any issue. Am I able to show you the screen?
Yes.
Yes, we can see the screen, Rahul.
Okay. So this is, thank you. So this is the, you can hear the recording also. If there is a recording, you can play the recording. Once the calls comes to your, like say we have this website, like if someone calls me on this number, so if we are doing Google AdWords, so this is the number which is an IVR number. This is the unique number. Any call which comes on it, it will reflect here. So this is integrations, and you just have to go to the IVR details. So you'll find the recordings here. So you'll see the recordings, you'll see the customer number also. So this way you are going to generate the database of your customers or your callers. And this is my IVR number. And here you just have to press, you can hear the recordings also. So if you just have to hear recording, you can see. Okay. So once the customer care has spoken, if it is a sales call, then they are going to freeze the requirement, and here they are going to put the name number. If it is a complaint, if it is a support call, they will directly go to the CMS and they'll just enter the CMS and they will write down the complaint or generate a ticket for the same. So this system can take care from sales, lead generation, follow-ups, again, then we can send also quotations from here. So if you have, if an inquiry is, if a prospect is asking to send a quote to us, so we can directly say, we can create a quotation where we can put products. I'm just sharing a format. So you can see this logo and everything can be taken care. You can send quotations in terms of CCTV also, or in terms of any code which services or products. So you can send a code. Your customized form can be integrated. Your payment QR code and all can be integrated. So this is also now quotation. Same thing, if the quotation is approved, then you can, if you want, you can create a pro forma also in the pro forma and then sales. So in sales invoice. So this is a part of this. This I was talking to you about tasks. So when a customer, when you get a call, or when you get a mail for some support call, you can create a task even for your. So this is my software company where my there are some demos or there is some development work. So I create a task, and then you can see from this, you can see we can create a priority, whether it's urgent, low, creation date, expected. You can check all these things here. So you can, I'll just show you the printout of it. How does it looks, how, if you can just take out everyday task sheet, you will find out the KRA of the every employee. So you can just see, have a look at it. So just a sec. So this is about the camera installations and all. So you can see the team, how they are working. So this is camera installation, creation date, expected completion. So that way we just see if it goes to overdue. So new camera installation, service call, repair. So that's how we maintain the TAT. So it improves the customer satisfaction also, and we can also internally find out which employee is we measure the performance of each employees. So that is also one thing. So this is task. Then we, as I told you, the attendance is also into it. Then we have a service module where you can take care of complaint management system. We can check AMCs like in CCTV or in telecom products. You have AMCs every year. So you can also create an AMC sheet also where you can check what AMCs are you having, or what, just a sec, I'll show you here. So you can enter your AMCs into the same service module. So we have AMCs. So you can see here, you can find out the complete, what is the due date, and you can see all these things, whatever is there for that schedule, that will be seen on the dashboard. So you can see every user have a dashboard. So I'll just come to the dashboard. Now you will get an idea what I'm saying. So this is my dashboard, will be the user's dashboard, and team dashboard will be the complete team dashboard. So you can see total open inquiries, how many are there, quotations are there. So you will see, admin will see like this, today's inquiry follow-up 6. So this is the complete, if you just click it, inquiry page will open. So you want to, this is the inquiry page. So you can see the log. This is the log also. How many times that user has taken follow-up for this particular coin. If there is an appointment, you can put an appointment also. And from the same thing, you can put a mail also. You can send a mail. We have some other integrations like WhatsApp. We have a WhatsApp integration. Then you can also call from here. We have some IVR feature where you can make a call from the system itself, which is offer outbound call. So you just have to put call, user ID, and then directly a call will come from click to call function. Or if you are using a mobile app, directly, if there is a task, they can call from their mobile. It will go directly from their mobile number, SIM card. So this is dashboard. Then these are some dashboards which you will be interested for the management level. So you can see what sort of inquiries are there and what stages are there. So if you can see here, just you can take a printout of it. Yeah, so you can see this inquiry stages. You can create, this is all dynamic stages. You can create site visit, service, move. You can create it the way you want it to. Same thing with what are the lost inquiry analysis, lost one, pending. So based on that, you can start working on it. So this is open. Open means on which the work is going on. Some had asked quotations, some are not there, and some are closed. If there is closed, so we will get a closed reason also. If the price is not matching or whatever the reason are there, then this is media wise. Media wise means you can, whatever media is working for you in a better way. So you can start projecting and you can start investing in that. Maybe you are getting Facebook leads more, so you will invest more in the Facebook. So this will help you in projecting your lead source. So this is also inquiry one and loss analysis. What is your analysis between loss and one? So based on that, you can, if there is more losses, so you can start training people, or you can see the quality check, what are the reasons. This is most inquired product. So you also can be able to know what are your most inquired products. This is again same least inquired products. This is how many are hot, warm, and inquiry. This is product wise, division wise. So you can also create a division. Say if it is a security surveillance, so then you will find CCTV, IP, HD cameras. Then if you are into telecom, so EPBX, which EPBX is doing good, Matrix or any other company, Intrex. This is also very good. Monthly inquiry analysis. So you will see on which particular day, how many leads you have received on that particular day and what is the today's status. So if you have received, say today is 22nd, how many leads last month we have received and how many leads today we have received. So you can see, you can make an analysis why the sales is less or more. So do we need to work on the leads also? This is if you have a multi-branch, so you can check inquiry wise how many leads are coming from your different cities. This is also very interesting where you can set targets for leads also. Like say, if you want to say what is your conversion ratio is 10% or 15%. So that means if you are getting say 100 leads per day or 50 leads, how many leads you need to achieve per person or per total count? And what is the revenue you want to generate from that? So it will give you a meter like after 10 days, where are you standing, where your company is standing. This is branch wise. Same thing is with the quotations also. You can follow up the quotations. How many quotations has been sent today? What are the quotation, like, what are the stages the quotation is on, whether it is on the approval or we need to modify more, changes are there. So this is all quotation wise also. Then we have this representative wise. Just a sec. So this is same wise, the same diagram, same graphical representatives will be there by pie charts and all. So then we have performance representative, like representative dashboard. So depending upon the team, whatever the team is working, say if it is CRM demo, so I'll be able to know what was his weekly or monthly performance. You can set range, how many site visits that person has done, how many services they have done. So on a summary, on a just click, you will be able to know the performance of that particular person. And during the review meetings, it is just, you just need to download the things and just talk about the day-to-day activities of his during this whole month. So then we have this attendance. If you have now any further questions, yeah, we have. Even in promotional activities also, we have had something like we have our own BizMail. So we have our email server, bulk email server. So when the lead comes in directly from your different sources through integration, we have create templates. So like say inquiry template. So when the inquiry comes without you doing anything, we can send an inquiry to that particular person. Same thing we have for quotation, same thing we have for complaint management system. So this will help you to avoid manual intervention for promotion. So even for CRM or even for IVR also, when a call comes to your for any inquiry, so we can send automated SMS to the caller. Say thank you for calling us for for sales inquiry. Please press this link, or we can get them to our website. So that is all automation which we have done. And if you see in every form, we have put these, say now this inquiry is there. So on one click, you can integrate your email server also. All the emails will come in here. You can have an appointment calendar also. You can see the dashboard on whatever the appointments you will see are scheduled. So you do all those appointments can be taken care on the dashboard. So you can send email from there, you can send SMS from there. So these are all things which are there. Then inquiry number will get auto-generated. These are all dynamic. Status and source are dynamic. You can create. You can also attach some quotations or some predefined formats. Apart from that, now I can see here, see this if there is a hierarchy of team department wise. So if the inquiry is created, you can assign to your team also, or multi-assign to the manager or to the senior people. So that will also able to, you can track the lead in a proper way. If you have assigned Amit in a day 5 leads, so at the end of the day in a week, if you have assigned 50 leads, so during the review you can have you can discuss everything on the leads itself. You just have to, and okay, one more thing which I would also like to have, we have different filters for, say, you can have here filters in end time. These types of filters, you don't need to customize your system. So we have put a lot of filters here through the date, through the closing date, status also, there are status, open, close, assigned to the who has created a lead, who has assigned to, even stage wise also you can see how many leads are in quotation phase, or how many leads are on, which are only for the where the site visit is pending. So those all leads can be taken care of. You can push them through sending more creatives to them, sending WhatsApp images to them, so that they can be positive towards the order closures. Then we have this administration where you can give every user the roles and responsibilities are there. So you can say, like, say Amit, I want to give Amit different roles where he will not be able to delete any lead, or he will not be able to, depending upon the modules. So if he is only taking care of service, so I'll give him only CMS. So he will not be able to see any other module which is not relevant to him. So that will be also taken care, and it will be easier for team to work, because if a person is taking care of only lead management sales, he need not to see all these DMS, employee, product, sales. He will only have to use their roles, their modules. So this is one more thing which we have. And then we have small part of accounting also, which I feel if you must be using Tally and all, we have cash book, we have expense management. You can see whatever the expense is being incurred by a team during the during the field or any. So you can take care of expense management also from here. So you can see the form, you can make it out. If it's a traveling, you can let me know if you have any questions about the same. You can let me know anything.
Sorry to interrupt. I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, if I wanted to upload a data, okay, so I can do that.
Yes, so you can upload a data. You can, wherever you are, we have a format. So this is the import. You can directly have your own database from the day one. So you will work on your, so we have import. So you will get a template. So this is the template. We will give you the format.
Any
of the
specific format is there?
Yeah, the sample is there. No, this is the sample. So this is the contact sample. You just have to contact type, name, phone, email, address, whatever the things are there. So you just have to upload it, and you can create you will get the database of your customers into the CRM itself. Not only into the contact, if you have existing inquiries also, plus we have a product master. You can even have the product master, whatever the product you are using right now. Maybe in CCTV there are n number of modules. So again, here the template is there. You don't need to even ask us to do. So this is the template: code, barcode, HSN, division group, bottom price, MRP, purchase price. So all these things, what's the technical specifications also, like in camera, there are 2 megapixel, 10 megapixel, 5 megapixel. So you can use those technical specs in the image, and even you can use it for the quotations also. So when you are using a quotation, so you can, I'll just show you one quotation also. In Sonic, I'll show you. So this is one quotation where you can put an image of camera also or your product also, and then you can create, just a sec. You can put technical specifications here also. On the right hand side, you can show the image also. We have an image. So here, okay, we have not used it here. So you can put an image also here, and the product service specifications also can be taken care. And you can have header, footer, everything, whatever you want, you can do that in a similar way.
Okay.
So Ashwini, any other queries?
So Vaidya sir and team, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask, please.
In fact, it is taking end-to-end solution, end-to-end requirement of a company which is into, a small enterprise or medium enterprise. It takes care of from the lead comes into the order closure, and even the post also. You can take care of complaint management or ticketing. We can generate tickets to your customers, or we can give them an option where from our system they can create an ticket from themselves, and we can work on that. And say like I'll just want to show you for the service part. So if we have CMS, okay, so this is a complaint. So an SMS will go or an email will go directly to the person also. So like here, so you can say complaint, it is a time desktop instructions, general, it will which project it is, the complaint has come, date, let's see, key number, and complaint details, what are the complaint details, and it will go directly to the person also who is taking action. So the person who is working on that project, or the service manager or service engineer, the message will go to him also, or we can send, you can keep a track of every part of service also here. And even we can have the SMS going to your customer also, that you're thanking for reaching us. Your complaint has been registered. This is your ticket number, and this person will be whatever, we have 24 to 48 hours time, whatever the SOP will be based on your company. So can be create a template. We can send that communication can be taken care. Yes, sir.
With just one more question,
Yeah,
Rahul.
please.
Yeah, so can CRM be added with WhatsApp? Because we are now using many groups, WhatsApp groups for
Yeah,
communication.
we have already, see now, we have already integrated it WhatsApp, but you can integrate it. See, I have shown you that we have integration. Okay, let me just show you some integrations here. Settings. Okay, so we have this is IVR, IndiaMart, Facebook. We have integrated our system through WhatsApp also. So if you see an
Okay.
enquiry here, so this is again a quick WATI. This is a WhatsApp. So you can integrate this WhatsApp, and there are few third-party companies, third-party WhatsApp companies, which create just like aapne, you have done an booking from Make My Trip. So you get an automated transactional WhatsApp. Thank you. Your ticket and everything can come through the CRM. So that also is possible with us. WhatsApp integration is possible, yes.
Okay. Okay.
So any other query if you have, or anything which you want to cover, which you want to ask and have questions about it.
Do we have an online chat room also for the customer who wants to chat immediately and discuss?
See, sir, that is chat is from your website. So you are talking about if you have just a, so if you
No, the
have,
inquiry can be from anywhere, no? Inquiry
Huh.
can be anywhere.
yeah, but
Not
it is-
essentially comes to website. It can be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel or anywhere, and they can.
yeah, that
know the
integration is
chat.
already there. That integration is already there. So whatever I showed you that integration, nah? So I'll just show you
No,
again.
that is there. But if I'm a customer, I go there and I just wanted to have quick query. Instead of calling or emailing, I want to chat with some.
Yeah, this is the option which I am saying. So this is the chatbot which we have, which will come from
Okay,
your
chat
website.
board you have.
Yes, so you can see. I'll just show you. Just give me 2 minutes. You can see this screen, right?
Hmm.
So it's we can customize it also the way you want to do.
Any question, Vaidya sir?
Sir, see now you can
Still
bifurcate.
good after.
You can bifurcate your products. So whatever the products you are, so if you just security surveillance, so it will give you an option. Okay, our security is not trusted more than A. So you can see, and you can get an, even if it is a complaint, you can initially ask for the complaint. So here is CCTV. So this will come directly to CRM, or you can get directly a mail and then you can integrate it directly to the CRM, sir. This is how it works. So anything else, sir? Any queries? So you can compare it the way you are doing it right now. And if you feel like, if you have some doubts in terms of how you will convert your manual interaction into the system, I can also show you that. Are you there, ma'am?
Any more questions from the other team?
No, so far so good.
Oh, good, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. And if you have, you can reach Ashwani anytime. If you have any, we can start. I can share you a few more modules if you want, and if you want some formats of code, you can actually design the flow by yourself, because it is a really, we have designed it in a way like, it is all dynamic. This is a generic system where we have not made it a domain specific. So you can do a lot of things from here itself.
हॅलो
Yes, sir.
वैद्य सर अजून काय तुम्हाला विचारायचं आहे आता की नंतर इंटरॅक्शन करायचं आहे?
We'll interact. So far so good. It's made an extensive one.
Yes, sir.
ठीक
And
आहे. Second thing is Radhika and Sushil, you want to ask any specific thing about the way of you are going to work, because हे वैद्य साहेबांचं ऍड्रेस झालेलं असेल तर राहुल can address understanding your requirement.
yeah, so Ashwini ma'am told me they are into, designing, interior designing,
Yeah,
so
we do have architect group here. We have Radhika madam and we have Sushil sir here. So they can interact with you, Rahul. They are into architect and interior design.
so no problem, ma'am. I'm ready. If you can just ask me anything. So the flow will be similar. The leads are, how do you generate leads, ma'am? Radhika ma'am, as of now?
Generally through advertising or by references.
Yes, so that's great. So if you have, so you must be having a website and or you are social media se aap karte honge. So that way the same lead will come directly to our into the system, and then you can take, first you need to visit the site or check the requirements also. You can design whole thing and then send a proposal to them also, what all things you wanted to do. So
Okay, so Rahul, I just brief you the way they are going to work out. Now, this is a very prestige and old firm which is there. Now,
Okay.
they are launching this new idea where you have a fixed budget and they deliver the project end to end. Now, their lead generation is one part of it, but they will have an extensive checklist on the site to be checked and uploaded, and then the quotation to be generated and sent. Okay, so that even a process which need to be monitored, because once you are doing an interior, there are n number of things which need to be procured in terms of
right.
for that particular customer. There's a, there are a lot of other agencies which are involved in terms of electrician, painter, carpenter, product supplier, and all that. So can we will able to have that kind of extensive flow chart being managed?
Sir, what we can do?
Procurement.
So what we can
Because that
do,
will be a part of a project delivery.
yeah. So what we can do is we can create a project, and in that project, like say if they get a project of a bungalow, so where they have to do, electrical part will be one part, then there are painting will be one, XYZ, whatever the n numbers are there. So under that project, we have to add different services. So we can design it from the system itself. Little modification will be required, so we can do that if we come to know how they actually are doing it. So we can design into the system. So we have already a project based where you have seen in task there are projects. So we will under the task say one project is there which they have received, and then under that project there will be number of tasks, and there will be due dates, or there will be TAT. So for them, they have TAT like for 15 days, there will be some X service, X field needs to be completed. Same flooring needs to be done by 15 days or 1 month. So they will put TAT, and they will also assign to the particular person, the agency who is doing that work. So in that way, they can come to know which service is going slow, or they are on the way on time when they actually visit the site, and then someone has to do some entries into the system so that they can maintain the project.
Right. And one more challenge is the agencies their agencies who are going to supply the services, not essentially a tech CV. So somebody on that agency behalf has to enter the data, their supervisor or whoever it may.
Then we need to give them someone from, if we are using our system for our purpose, so third party will not take care of only one part, because we are managing entire system. So entire project we will be taking care. Their agencies will be doing some part of that work. So that way we have to do, someone has to make the entry. Once they do site surveys,
inside their system, someone has to do that, no?
yes, someone has to do that. No, not from their side. Yeah, they will see once their architect team will check they will do the site survey during the course of time, during the course of work. So when they say someone has to deliver it also, so there will be a part of, you can do purchasing and all from here, but you have to enter, someone has to enter the system, then only it will be able to generate the output.
Sushil, Radhika, any questions to you according to your way of working?
And IVR is the must, because if they are right now, they must be getting calls all on their mobile phones or offices. So if we have this IVR thing integrated, so it will say after 8:30 we'll have that we are closed for the day. Whatever IVR recordings we will need to do the way the business needs, but every call will be recorded and it will be forwarded to the right person. So koi bhi call miss nahi hoga, and the data will be generated, because if they are marketing digitally or in different through references also. So we can, right now you are talking to me, or maybe they are busy in some other meeting. So this system will be self mode, it will be on an autopilot mode if we have an IVR integrated with the CRM.
Sushil, Radhika, anything for you to understand as of now?
No, right now this all sounds good. Unmesh, we need to, once we are set with our whole program.
Yeah, we need to discuss. This is not an overnight thing. It's just to start understanding. There are a lot of things.
I understood the presentation. I have completely understood.
As of now, whatever is the best level, then going further, you don't have to go for all the model at one go. You have to get expert and understood and get expertise and used to every module one by one. And it should not become a hurdle to your work. It should be a supportive to your work.
Absolutely.
And any system takes time to get implemented and get acquainted. First of all, acquaintation is really important. So when you start using one module, say taking care of the leads and all, sending proposals to them, so that can be, then slowly we can see other modules also. So, and if there is some requirement which you need to mold something the way you want it to, so we have our own development team, so we can also take care of that also to some extent. Fine?
Yeah, this sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So next time we take 1-to-1 as is when required by each team. Okay, Vaidya sir?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Sure. Thank you so
Rahul,
much.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Hope you
Thank
like
you,
the
thank you.
product and thank you for your time.
Thanks. See you guys.
Thank you.